Sophia, what's your favorite food? Huh? What's your favorite food?
She doesn't have. She only eats one food every day.
What?
Lugaw, chicken lugaw.
Hello. You have to let her eat various different kinds of food.
It's starting now.
And ulam, Brad, ulam. Bayan.
She like chicken.
Chicken, yeah.
She like chicken.
Should be high protein.
Yeah.
You want chicken? You want ice cream? You want apple? You want grapes?
Ang pinaka-baby ng pamilya. Girl pa, talagang masarap damitan. Ala, bakit naka-diaper pa? Sophia, don't wear diaper anymore, ha? You tell mommy, ha? I want to wear panties on already, ha? Do not wear diaper anymore, ha? And then you poo-poo and you wee-wee inside the bathroom, ha? Okay? Okay?
Okay. Say okay.
Okay. Look at that, oh, it's so nice, oh. Wait, do not lie down yet. Do not lie down yet.
You have data, right?
Sit down first.
So you need to get it ready to play it loud.
Say up.
Distract her one for the
Doctor,
second
say,
one.
Yeah, iba niyo to.
The first one,
Let's look at your
she won't know
ear.
it's coming, but the second
Ear
one,
of Sophia clean. Oh, yes. It's, ay,
Very
naku, may
thin.
matigas na tutulisin. Let me see the other one.
What? It's clogged.
Oo, Brad. Matigas ang, ano niya, earwax hard.
Well, can you get it out?
No, don't try kasi you'll be pushing
No,
it deeper.
obviously I'm not gonna use that. But
Now?
yeah,
No, it's deep eh. We will put something to soften it.
the drop, saline.
Yes. No, Otosol. Open your mouth, darling.
Say
Well, kailangan magpa-dentist na, ha? Para maprotektahan yung ngipin. Oh, listen to the heart. Where's the heart of Sophia? Here. Oh, di ba you want to be a doctor when you grow up, or you listen to your heart? This is my little doctor. Oh.
Tuk 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 tuk
Oh, what does your heart say?
tuk 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 tuk.
Did you hear that? Oh.
Oh, good job.
Good job. Then, I'd rather put the injection sa thigh kasi intramuscular to malalim.
Apo.
Oh, so lie down tayo.
Lie down.
Doon ang head.
Ay.
Ay! Uy, yung baka mo.
Yay. Where's the car?
Second one, Ivan, not the first.
Anak, hold on.
She's getting too shy.
Where's the cars? Where? Where's
The
the car?
first, she's gonna be crying.
Where?
Play some distraction.
Where's
The
the car?
second one's going right. Anyway, get it ready. Get
Where's
it
the
ready.
car?
Just press play.
Count. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Anak,
5, 6,
Marcel, ikaw bahala dyan.
7, 8. May kulitis siya ba? Doc,
Oh,
tingnan
play
mo.
it. Play it.
Ay,
Kulitis.
oo. Internal.
Ah.
Ano lang yan mag-isa.
1, 2, 3, go! Oh, no more. No more. Mosquito bite? Mosquito bite? Oh,
Ay,
no, no.
mosquito.
Look, oh. Oh, look, oh. Oh, look,
Naman ang bata.
Wow!
Yay!
Very good.
Sophia,
Wow.
yay! Oh.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Ouchie, 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 ouch. Can you help me? Yes.
Okay, no more.
No more.
No more, no more, no more, no more, no more.
All done.
Finish.
Oh, look, oh. Oh, she didn't cry. Oh, no more.
Okay, no more. Come.
Look, oh, she didn't cry. Oh, she didn't cry. Oh, oh, she didn't cry. Oh, no more. Oh, thank you, she said. Okay, no more, no more, no more.
Make sure it's not
Yay,
pressing.
all done. All done, all done. No more. Sophia
Hey, her
wants to
back
be
is
a
open.
doctor.
Sophia be doctor. Ay,
Wow. Oh, look at that.
Doctor.
Oh, face shield.
Ivan,
Yes.
I like your BP. It's always nice. So you just really have to cut down on food, anak, ha?
Okay.
Oh. Did we have your, did you go to
No
the
more, no more, no more.
Yung endocrinologist?
Opo.
Ano sabi sa'yo?
Ano lang,
Don't pinch her skin.
Boundary.
Borderline?
Opo.
Oo, so wala siyang gamot na binigay?
Wala.
Diet na rin
Nag-diet
lang.
lang.
Oo,